these sums and show all you're working out. So with questions like these, they're just checking, can we line these up nicely and can we take numbers across? I'm going to do these quite big and then you can erase them to make space for the next one. Let's get into this one. So first we've got an adding one. So 83, 352, add 56, 837. Okay, so line them up nicely and we can get into it. So first of all, we're going to do here 2 add 7, that is 9. 5 add 3 is 8. 3 add 8, so that's going to be 9, 10, 11. So we put the 11, we put the 1 there and we carry another 1 up here. So 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 6 is 10. So we put the 0 here, carry the 1. And then we're going to go 1 and 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. And so we write it like this. So that is our final answer there. 140,189. Part B, let's get some space. Is a subtraction one. So we've got 47,641. Take away 19,279. Okay, I can assume we are going to have some borrowing here. So first of all, we start here. 1 take away 9, we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow. So we cancel that 4. We make it into a 3 instead. And we put the 1 here. So now we've got 11 take away 9. So 11 take away 9 is 2. 3 take away 7 we can't do. So again, we're going to borrow. So we're going to cancel that, make it into a 5. Put the 1 here, and now we've got 13 take away 7. So 13 take away 7 is 6. Then we've got 5 take away 2 is 3. 7 minus 9 we can't do, so we have to borrow again. So we cancel that out. Say that's a 3. This is 17. 17 take away 9 is 8. And 3 take away 1 is 2. So that is our final answer for this one. 28,362. With these ones, you can see there are 3 marks. So generally, you get a mark just for lining them up nicely. And if you don't get a mark for that, you'll get a mark for just showing some borrowing, even if you don't get the final right answer. So try show as much as you can with these ones. Question 2. Sindiswa and her friend Tali each save up money for a trip. Sindisa saves up 24,979, while Tali saves up 35,338. How much have they saved up altogether? So that means we need to add those two. Okay, so Sindiswa 24,979. Adding 35,338. Okay, 9 add 8 is 17. Put the 7 and we carry the 1. 1 and 7 is 8. 8 and 3 is 11. Put the 1, carry the other one. 1 and 9 is 10. 10 and 3 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 5 is 10. Put the 0, carry the 1. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. That is what they have in total. Be careful then, to get the mark on this one, you have to put the rand in front. So it's going to be 60,317. How much more money has Tali saved than Sindiswa? Okay, so when they say all together, They're checking, do you know that that means add it up? Okay, so this one they're checking that you understand. So that means add. And then when they say how much more money has Tali saved than Sindiswa, then this how much more means you need to subtract them. And you always go the biggest number minus the smallest number. They're checking that you know that. So in this one, you will get a mark just for saying it's an adding question. And now the same thing in this one, you will get a mark just for saying this is a subtraction question. So we are going to say Tali minus Sindiswa's. That was 24,979. Okay, let's work this one out. So 8 take away 9 we can't do, so we're going to borrow. So instead of that 3, it's going to be a 2. Carry the 1. So 18 take away 9 is 9. 2 take away 7 we can't do, so we're going to borrow again. 12 take away 7 is 5. 2 take away 9 we can't do, borrow again. 12 take away 9 is 3. 4 take away 4 is 0. And 3 take away 2 is 1. So that is how much more Tali has saved than Sindiswa. So she has saved 10,359 Rand more than Sindiswa. That is all the questions in this question paper. You can see after this it's just the answers. Please let me know in the comments if this helped you, if you have any other questions, and thank you for watching.